Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Anas Faizun with NPM 233110006, and today I will present a topic called parallel processing. Parallel processing is one the most important concept in modern computer architecture. It allows computer to perform multiple tasks simultaneously, making system faster and more efficient. In today digital world, applications such as artificial intelligence, gaming, video editing, and cloud computing require enormous processing power. Parallel process helps computer meet these demands by distributing work across multiple processors or cores. In this presentation, I will explain what parallel processing is, how it works, its types, application advantage, challenge, and its future role in computing. What is parallel processing? Parallel processing is a technique where multiple tasks run simultaneously using multiple processor or processor core. Instead of completing one task at a time, a large task is divided into smaller subtasks. These subtasks are then assigned to different processor or cores and execute at the same time. After all subtasks are complete, the results are combined into a final output. A simple example is a group project. If only one person does all the work, it takes a long time. However, if several people divide the work and complete their parts simultaneously, the project can be finished much faster. This is similar to how parallel processing works in computer. Why it matters? Parallel processing is important because modern applications require high computational power. Artificial intelligence require massive parallel calculation to train machine learning model and process a large amount of data. Video editing software process multiple frames simultaneously to speed up rendering. Game application need real-time rendering. Basic calculation and AI processing to provide smooth gameplay. Big data system process enormous amount of information and run millions of operations in parallel. Without parallel processing, test tasks will take significant longer to complete. How it works? The process of parallel processing can be explained in 4 steps. First, a large task is divided into smaller independent subtasks. Second, each subtask is assigned to a desired processor or processor core. Third, all processors execute their assigned tasks simultaneously. Finally, the result from each processor are combined into a final output. For example, when rendering a video, different frames can be processed by different cores at the same time. This significantly reduces the total rendering time. And next, types of parallel processing. There are 4 main types of parallel processing. The first is data parallelism. In this method, the same operation is applied to different places of data at the same time. The second is bit-level parallelism. This increases performance by processing more bits during each operation. The third is instruction-level parallelism. It allows multiple instructions to be executed simultaneously within a processor pipeline. The fourth is task parallelism. In this method, different independent tasks run across multiple cores at the same time. Each type helps improve performance in different computing situations. Next, sequential versus parallel processing. To better understand parallel processing, we can compare it with sequential processing. In sequential processing, only one task is executed at a time. The next task begins only after the previous task has finished. This approach has a simple structure and is easier to program, but it usually requires a longer execution time. In contrast, parallel processing executes multiple tasks simultaneously. As a result, provide faster execution, reduce processing time, and better utilization of hardware resources. This is why modern computer systems rely heavily on parallel processing. And next, real-world application. Parallel processing is used in many real-world applications. In AI, it is used to train machine learning models efficiency. In gaming, it handles graphic rendering and physics calculating simultaneously. In video editing, multiple frames can be rendered at the same time to accelerate production. Weather forecasting system use parallel processing to perform millions of calculations for accurate prediction. Scientific research relies on parallel processing to execute complex simulation. Big data analytics use parallel architecture to process massive data set quickly. And last, cloud computing distributes workloads across multiple servers, allowing servers to operate efficiently and reliably. This application demonstrates the importance of parallel processing in modern technology. And next advantage. Parallel processing offers many advantages. First, it provides faster computation because multiple tasks can be executed simultaneously. And second, it improves overall system performance. Third, it allows better utilization of hardware resources. And fourth, it reduces processing time for large and complex workloads. Fifth, it increases productivity by enabling computers to complete more work within a shorter period. Because of this benefit, parallel processing has become a fundamental technology in modern computing systems. And next challenge. Despite its advantage, parallel processing also has several challenges. Communication overhead slowed down performance, load balancing problems across core, complex programming requirements, higher hardware costs for multi-core system, difficult in debugging parallel programs. Not all tasks can be parallelized effectively. Proper coordination needed for maximum performance. And modern computer. Most modern computers use multi-core processor. Each core can execute instructions independently, enabling true parallel processing and efficiency multitasking. Examples include Intel Core processor, which can have up to 24 cores in modern models. AMD Ryzen processors are known for their strong parallel processing performance. Apple Silicon processor integrates CPU and GPU component into a single chip, providing high efficiency and performance. Because of multi-core technology, user can run multiple applications simultaneously while maintaining smooth system performance. And next, future of parallel processing. The future of computing will depend heavily on parallel processing. AI and machine learning require massive computation resource. Cloud computing relies on parallel workloads across large server networks. Big data systems require parallel architecture to process enormous amount of information. The Internet of Things, or IoT, continue generate data that must be analyzed efficiently. As technology continues to evolve, future computing systems will rely even more on parallel processing to achieve higher performance and efficiency. In conclusion, parallel processing enables simultaneously execution of multiple tasks, improving speed and efficiency. It is essential for modern computing and will continue driving future innovation. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has helped you understand the concept of parallel processing. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.